pulling out the motor. Gotta pop off the back. Disconnect the wirings, conduit. He's holding the shaft. I'm twisting out the impeller. Pop off the faceplate. Yum. New pump, or sorry, new motor. Put on a plate. Getting some new gaskets lubed up. New motor put back together. Just needs to be installed and rewired. These started by hand. Finish them up. Real torque. Just got the wires reconnected. Back plate put on. Don't forget the ground. Everything put back together. Fill it up with water. The moment of truth. It's a pre-existing leak already there. Up to the owners decide what they want to do. You just replace the motor for it. Hopefully this helps somebody out there.